Hey, this is Mike at Murray Chevrolet Cadillac, and today I'm here with this 2018 Lincoln MKC Reserve. This beautiful luxury SUV is a maroon color with a light beige interior with premium leather. It's a 2-liter turbo engine, has remote start, backup camera, and you can open the trunk from the remote as well. Has a nice cover on the back, as well as a cover for the top of the trunk space. Both rear seats are heated on either side. It has your blind zone alert in your mirror. And if we step into the vehicle, you'll see that it has memory seats along with power seats. It has your air conditioned and heated seats. It has your dual climate control there, along with the CD player. You can see that it does come with navigation and a panoramic sunroof. If you're looking for a premium vehicle with less than 20,000 kilometers and under $40,000, this is the one for you. Come on down to Murray Chevrolet Cadillac and ask for Mike.